how to make a beauty and colorful stylish video. Please watch the full video and subscribe to my channel. Open Kinemaster, select white color from Kinemaster main media. First of all, go to handwriting from layer and make a black border. After it, go to text from layer and write the anyone text and click the text and change its font. After this process, go to layer media and choose a beauty and colorful balls picture. Click the colorful ball pictures and go to blending option, select lighten. Then once again click the text, go to all over animation and select ring. Now video is complete and play it. Thanks for watching the video.